Some slides may also be used as a raft, except those over the wings. You'll find the exact location on your safety card. This aircraft is designed with escape lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate you have reached your exit. In the event of an evacuation, escape hatch lighting will appear. Follow the lights until you've reached your exit. Leave all carry-ons behind. Just head quickly and safely to the nearest exit, and don't forget it may be behind you. Now, if the airplane loses pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, grab the closest mask and pull down. The yellow cuff goes over your nose and mouth like so. Then slip the band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Just breathe. Even if the plastic bag doesn't inflate, oxygen is flowing. And remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others. Life vests are located either next to or under your seat. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. For help locating them, see your safety card. Remove the vest from the package like this. Put the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube on the side. In the water, a light on your vest will illuminate. And please, only inflate your vest outside the airplane. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. The crew will now be coming around to do a final cabin check. After takeoff, we'll be back with more information. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. As always, we're here to make your flight great. Because great is what we're going for.
Thanks for watching our safety demonstration. The federal mask mandate remains in place for air travel under the recently updated CDC guidance for vaccinated travelers. As a result, we continue to have additional safety measures due to COVID-19, and we appreciate your attention for a few more moments. In the event oxygen masks drop from an overhead compartment, remove your face mask before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. You must wear a face mask over your nose and mouth and make sure it is secured under your chin or neck during the flight. You may briefly lift or lower your face mask while eating or drinking. Please keep your mask on if you want to sleep so we don't have to wake you. In addition, federal regulations prohibit smoking, including the use of vaping devices at any time on board the aircraft. Electronic smoking devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports and AC outlets. We're coming through the aisle now for our final safety and face mask checks. Now more than ever, we appreciate you choosing American. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
Hola a todos. Gracias por su atención. Es hora de prepararlos para el despegue. Sabemos que tienen muchas opciones, así que gracias por elegir American. Estamos encantados de ser su compañía aérea. Ahora, si me acompañan, nos pondremos en marcha.
Damas y caballeros, estamos ahora en pista activa, nos estamos moviendo, no pueden estar parados en estos momentos. Necesitamos a todos los pasajeros en sus asientos, en compartimentos cerrados. Esto es una regulación de la Administración Federal de la Aviación y es por su seguridad y los demás ciudadanos frente a ustedes. Gracias por su cooperación.
Para que podamos despegar, comprueben que su respaldo esté en posición vertical, que sus dispositivos electrónicos estén guardados y que su mesa esté plegada. Si tienen equipaje de mano, colóquenlo bajo el asiento delantero. Si no encaja, colóquenlo en el compartimento superior. Si tienen un dispositivo portátil, pónganlo ahora en modo avión. Encontrarán nuestra política de uso de dispositivos electrónicos en la contratapa de American Way. Fumar, incluyendo cigarrillos electrónicos, está prohibido en todo momento. Manipular, inutilizar o destruir los detectores de humo puede dar lugar a una multa. La legislación de Estados Unidos exige que se respeten letreros y señales luminosas cada vez que operan. Ahora veamos las instrucciones de seguridad. Presten mucha atención y antes de darse cuenta, despegaremos. Todas las salidas del avión están claramente marcadas. Tómense un minuto para localizar la más cercana. Tengan presente que puede estar detrás de ustedes. Disfruten de su vuelo y gracias por elegir